If you like World War II history or survival stories, you should read Abandoned Ship, the true World War II story about the sinking of the Laconia by Michael J. Tougas and Alison O'Leary. In August 1942, the 600-foot British ship Laconia left Cape Town, South Africa. It was an old luxury ocean liner, think Titanic, and on board were 268 British military personnel, 80 civilian women and children, and close to 2,000 Italian prisoners of war. German submarines or U-boats were patrolling the seas like sharks, hunting and sinking enemy ships. Even though the Laconia steered a zigzag course and didn't transmit radio signals, the smoke from its stack was spotted by Commander Hartenstein and his crew on board the submarine U-156. Under cover of darkness on the evening of September 12th, while the Laconia's passengers were preparing for a Saturday evening of fun, their ship was torpedoed. People scrambled to escape as the Laconia tilted over, lights flickered, and panic broke out. Most of the Italian prisoners of war were denied access to lifeboats. Many more lifeboats and rafts were destroyed in the Laconia's sinking, and those who made it to the safety of a lifeboat were still 600 miles from land. When German U-boat commander Hartenstein moved in closer to watch the sinking of the Laconia and see if he might take officers hostage, he was stunned to see thin men in rags barely staying above the water. He pulled a few of those men onto the deck of the U-boat and learned most of the people on board were Italian prisoners of war, and those were German allies in the war. Commander Hartenstein took as many people on board his submarine as possible, including British women and children, and radioed for help. Follow along in the lifeboats as some survivors hold on for as long as 35 days, get to know the survivors, and see how they made it to help. Read Abandoned Ship. And if you can't get enough of that sinking feeling, you might also like Dive and Attacked at Sea.